Here is a Newmar Dutch Star. This one is a 4369. Super luxurious paint scheme. Let's go in and check it out. Straight away, neutral. Gray interior, white cabinetry, two-tone, again with the gray lowers. Here's your elevator. Does have a booth. Fisker Pascal dishwasher. Large window back there. Here you can see your spec sheet on this one. $766. Again, this one has the half bath. Up here you can see the infamous half door. Newmar is famous for that I do not like. Love the vessel sink. That is super nice. Super nice there. Just wish they'd change the door. Love the lighted, how it's lighted over through here for accents. King bed. TV. Large shower in this one, no small one. Super nice. There's your egress door and toilet. Here's going to be your closet. Nice deep closet. Dual vessel vanity. And then right here is going to be your stackable washer dryer. Not going to open this one. Again, no carpet coach. All digital cockpit, even on the Dutch Star. Even got wireless phone charging. Does have passenger navigation as well, so that's entry level on this. That's super nice. There you have it. We just took you through on a tour of this RV. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to check out other videos coming out over several weeks, and be sure to check out also RV news and recalls coming out the first Saturday of every single month. Thanks for watching as always, and remember, safe travels.